What's up, you guys? My name is Ryan. This is my 2011 50, which you can currently see we are in the process of tearing down, and you guys will see future videos of this thing shortly. Then I also have a 2015 BMW M4, which is outside. It's my daily, so you won't see very many mods yet, but soon to come. And this is my dog Austin, who's also joining in with me for this YouTube channel.
Hey guys, I've got a 2016 GT350. In the upcoming video, you're going to see some of the first round of mods that we did on it. The Euro tail lights, headlight tint, and the Corsa XX mid-pipe. And I also have a 2020 Cummins that will be doing simple things to wheels, tires, stuff like that. And that'll also be in upcoming videos.
So yeah, welcome to Who's Your Daddies. So today we're working on Austin's 350, doing a few small things to it to brighten the mood. We're gonna be putting on, it's a little dark, but we're gonna be putting on some side tint on these headlights to cover up this amber, which is not the best looking. And then we also got some Euro tail lights to be installing. It's a pretty simple install. It's plug and play. He's currently wrenching on it. Taillights are pretty simple to take out. You got 2 bolts here, 2 nuts I should say, and then 1 back here behind that carpet. And then this wire here, which we already ran, goes up to the 3rd brake light and tags into that.
These are super simple. They go in just like your factory ones come out. Use the same bolt holes and everything. Just gotta make sure you get everything lined up. They'll go right in. Factory wiring harness plug in. And then you just have this extra wire, which is the one that we ran up to the 3rd brake light. And then it's plug and play as well.
Overall, pretty simple install. Takes 10 minutes to do. Here we go, little comparison side by side. Yeah, Euro all the way, for sure. And just like that, they're in the car, wired up. We didn't show you guys, but we had to tie into the 3rd brake light. Not a very hard job, but with these tail lights though, you got a bunch of different options on what you want. All red, sequential ambers, and factory mode. You gotta love the Chinese products. It's kind of a pain to set them up. You have to do a certain sequence, which is right in here. We'll put the link in the description for these taillights if you're interested in buying them, but like I said, overall, pretty simple install, big difference. Ended up going with the factory mode, which is awesome. Why don't you just go ahead and show them?
Alright, left turn signal.
Got the ambers.
Right turn signal.
Ambers.
Brake lights.
And super bright red.
And running lights.
Do the running, turn on that right turn signal. Flashes amber over the top of them. Pretty cool. I dig them. Like I said, makes a huge difference with these GT350s or S550s in general. Cleans it up a lot. Now we'll get started on these side markers and we'll catch you back. Now moving on to the front of the car. For these side markers, just vinyl, super easy install, nothing too crazy to do, but will make a big difference. Get all nice and deep like in there.
Alright.
Alright. Headlight tent is complete. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's done. Tail lights are done. Looking killer. But we're gonna go ahead, wrap up for right now. We're gonna go grab some food and then come back and work on this mid-pipe from Corsa. Got Trigger over here.
I'm gonna go ahead and get the Corsa mid-pipe unboxed. We're gonna get this thrown on the car next.
Gotta love stuffing. Now that we got the car all jacked up and finally under it, we noticed that this mid-pipe is one giant piece, so we have to measure off a certain amount. What was it exactly?
14 1/4.
14 1/4.
From the back of this heat shield, we'll cut here, and then we have intermediate pipes that mate the X pipe to the factory mufflers.
What was that?
Measure twice, cut once.
Exactly. Give her a whirl. Nice.
Hold on, I'm gonna do this one first.
Cut. Alright. There's one done. Time to do the passenger side. Well, she's off.
Cut the fuck out of my hand.
Did you? Where?
Yeah.
Let me see this damage. Yikes, cuzzy.
That's bad.
That's real bad.
Yeah, that's really deep.
Very deep. Well, exhaust is off almost.
Do you know I have tops here?
I already got some damage. It's alright though. 4 more bolts and she'll be off. Are we in there like somewhere?
I mean, yeah. Well then. Alright, that should be that part. Now, as long as I cut in the right spot, we should be almost done. And then I'll come back through and tighten everything.
So we got the Corsa mid-pipe installed. Got the good old factory mid-pipe taken out. Look at those bubble gums. Previous owner had resonators taken out, but let's hear what it sounds like. Still pretty. Whoa. I was gonna say it sounds still pretty tame, but now that he opened up the exhaust, it sounds pretty good. Alright, we're gonna go do some flybys for you guys and see what this thing sounds like opened up a little bit. Let's go give her the beans. Oh man. Good old dark tent life. Yeah. Pretty dark. What do you got on this trick?
1% sides and back and 15 on the windshield.
Pretty damn dark. Oh, ah. Sounds pretty tame.
You know?
A little tame.
I'm sure we can fix that here soon.
Oh, there we go. We'll pick back up when we get to a spot for flybys. This thing is going to be pretty obnoxious with long tubes once those come in, but it'll sound good. Wait for him to come back. We'll hit a few flybys. Or maybe just one. Hopefully you guys can hear me with this wind out here, literally in the middle of nowhere. Scooting, boy. By the way, if you guys wanted to know what Indiana looks like, here it is. Alright, that's enough for today. Thank you guys for watching our first vlog ever. Make sure you like and subscribe. Share that stuff because we're trying to get somewhere with this, but thanks again.